Hello everyone again. So this is a new training video here for the Media Library Plus Pro. There's a new plugin for creating folders, adding files, and just having a more structured format to our media library. So just having a look at the administrator, what we can see here is there's a new Media Library Plus Pro menu item here, so we can click on that and it shows you a number of folders that already exist in the system. And so the first four here you notice are years, and so for example here if we click on 2017, these are the folders that are automatically created by WordPress without the use of this plugin. So we have 1, 2 and 3 for January, February and March, and so if we click on March of this year, you can see that there's 146 files in this folder, and we can display them as images. And you can see these are all the files and images that have been uploaded to the system in March so far. And so when April comes, a new folder will automatically be created and it'll keep going. And that's how WordPress does it without the use of Media Library Plus Pro. But what we can do now is actually create folders outside of these years and have a more structured form to managing our media. So if we click on Uploads, what we can do is create our own folder by clicking on Add Folder. I'm just going to call it Fisheries. Create folder, and so this will create a new folder in here called Fisheries, which we can click on, and then we can add our own files. So if we click Add File, we can then choose, for example, an image, and we can upload it. Okay, so now you can see we've got a single image and a single folder. We can create more subfolders underneath here as much as we need, and you can delete files and you can delete folders as well. So there's a few options here which you don't have in the usual media library, and if we actually click on the photo itself, you can see that each of these is going to have its own URL. Okay, so that's quite useful to know. If you go to that URL now, then you will find this image. Okay, there's a few other things that you can set in there. So I mean, once that's in there, you can continue building up images and folders within here, but once it's in there, we can then access that through the posts. So if we go to Posts and Add New, you can see that there's a new button here called Add MLPP Media. And so if you click on this, this brings up our folder structure. So it's a new way of adding images, so you don't have to scroll through the ones that are already there. So you can click on Fisheries, you can click on the image that we just uploaded, and we can insert it. Okay, so that's a much simpler way of managing our media. There's a bit more detail to this. So, I mean, if we click on this, we can actually edit the images as usual, and then we can have sort of links from the image, and we can have other examples there. Okay, so just have a look at this, because it's something just to play around with a bit. You can add PDFs, you can add other file types to this, and you can structure this in your own kind of way. So Media Library Plus Pro is here to use. It's just a matter of sort of creating these folders as you need them for the divisions, or if you want to do it by theme, you can do it by theme as well. So the other media library is still working, so we can still use that in tandem, but eventually it would be good to just use this as a way of storing images and PDFs and other file types as you need. So I hope that explains the media library in a bit more detail. Obviously we can ask more questions later when I talk to you later. Okay, thanks very much.